With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's look at the question. The question states, which of the following aerobic respiratory substrates have the same yield of ATP? And we have got four options: glucose, glucose 6-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate, 3-PGA, 2-PGA, PEP, pyruvic acid, acetyl-CoA, citric acid, isocitric acid, oxalosuccinic acid, and alpha-ketoglutarate acid. Okay, so basically we have to find the three respiratory substance which have the same yield of ATP, that means which gives the same amount of ATP. Right, now what are respiratory substrates? First we have to know about those. Okay, so respiratory substrates are basically those substances which are oxidized, okay, which are oxidized in respiration to produce energy, okay. Now if we look at the first option, we have glucose, then glucose 6-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate. Basically these are the steps of glycolysis, right? But in this, the glucose gets converted into glucose 6-phosphate and the glucose 6-phosphate gets converted into fructose 6-phosphate, right? So in the first case scenario, we can see that the same yield of ATP is not happening, okay? Same yield is not happening, okay. So now let us move on to the second option that we have, that is we have 3-PGA, 2-PGA and PEP. Basically in this case the respiratory substrate is amino acid, okay. So all these conversions are happening upon the amino acid, and in this case scenario we can see that the ATP yield is the same. Okay. Now let us move on to the third option that we have, that is pyruvic acid, acetyl-CoA and citric acid. This not only involves amino acids but it also involves fatty acids, amino acids and fatty acids. So that is why the ATP yield is not the same. Okay, and finally we have the fourth one, that is the isocitric acid, oxalosuccinic acid and alpha-glutaric acid. Basically they are the steps of citric acid cycle, and here we know that the ATP yield is not the same. Okay, so our answer to this question will be the second option, that is 3-PGA, 2-PGA and PEP. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.